Hello friends and welcome back on this channel. Today we are going to create this part. Here we have drawing, lesson number 18. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. Go to SolidWorks, select File, New, Part, OK. Select Front Plane, Sketch, take corner rectangle, let's define them, Smart Dimension. Here we have 30 millimeters, 50 millimeters, and between them 10 millimeters. Take again corner rectangle. Okay, let's define it. Here we have only 20 millimeters. Here is 10 millimeters. Now go to trim entities, delete this line and this line. Okay. Select features, extruded voice base. I prefer reverse direction. And here put 40 millimeters thickness. Okay. Let me choose image quality, please. Now select fillet. Radius will be 10 millimeters and select this line, this line, and this line, and press OK. Again select fillet, put 20 millimeters diameter, and select this line, this one, and this one. And press OK. Nice. Now select this face, sketch, normal tool, select circle, go to center point, let's define it, smart dimension. The diameter will be only 20 millimeters. Press OK. Go to features, extruded cut. You can select from here up to next. You can put here only 10 millimeters, or you can simply select this line. And press OK. Okay, this is our tutorial for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials.